Hey guys, hope you all are good. In this video I am telling you how to clear your iPhone or iPad RAM memory. So first step, press power button of your phone or iPad. Okay, you will see your screen like this. Now next step, what you have to do, press your home button, this button, okay, and keep pressing it until you see your display back like before pressing power button. So I am pressing the home button. Now you see your main display is back. It means you have wiped up your RAM memory and your phone is running with good speed. Okay, so in this way you can speed up your iPhone or iPad as well. Guys, hope you like and enjoy this video.